What's up, guys? We're back. Today what we're doing is we're going to be taking care of our fix-it ticket that we got a couple months back. I got a speeding ticket. I'm sure you saw a little bit. I got not a speeding ticket. I was pulled over for speeding. It was a nice cop. He let me off with just a fix-it ticket for not having my front license plate. So what I did is I went ahead and picked up the Perrin license plate relocator kit, so I don't have to drill into my precious bumper for now. And we're just gonna go ahead and slap it on here and then go get our ticket signed off by a police officer and go take care of all of that. So let's go ahead and get started. Honestly, it's a very simple thing. You just pop this off, screw it in, and attach your license plate. It's pretty simple. All right, first things first, you need to go ahead and pop this off. Get it like a flathead screwdriver. If you don't want any of your paint to be damaged, just go ahead and cover it. I have like a little plastic piece right here. Fairly simple, takes a couple seconds. Just pry it out. It'll come right out. Now for the juicy contents of the relocator kit, you just open it right on up. You have the license plate frame and the little big old thing that you screw into it so it can attach. And then you have the actual bracket itself that holds the license plate. All right. Here's that tow hitch thingy. Just go ahead and insert your means in the hole and start screwing it in. Just like that, it's already screwed in. Now you just gotta torque it down. So I do have my torque wrench, and it should be 50 foot-pounds. No, if you heard that, that scared the hell out of me, but we're good. Now that we got that in, we gotta go ahead and put in the little bracket. Looks pretty cash money to me. Now I gotta just go ahead and torque that one down. Hey, get back over here. All right, sweet. So now that we got all that good stuff on, we can go ahead and put on the actual license plate itself. Cash money. Get the bolt, the little washer that it comes with, put it on, put it in. Come on. You have to be a rocket scientist to do something, but this thing is not it. Just like that, boy, she's done. It's maybe like a 5 or 10 minute install. Absolutely anybody could do this one. You know, it's not like it's a supercharger kit or a header install. Header install is actually fairly easy too as well, which I actually have a video of on my channel installing it. So if you want, go ahead and check that one out. The kit also comes with some stickers and like a little warning thing. I think it's kind of like a joke. Other than that, it's all done. Let's go ahead and head over to the Fremont Police Department to get my ticket signed off on and take care of this fix-it ticket and put it all behind us. One thing I will say though is this license plate actually looks pretty good for having a license plate. You know, the relocator kit makes it look pretty damn good. I mean, for having a license plate, I mean, that's probably the best case scenario for it. So we're here at the police center in Fremont, and I have to keep my windows down or else they're gonna be like, your windows are tinted. Well guys, we just got some depressing news. I should have just went to the San Jose Police Department, because since I don't live in Fremont, nor was technically the ticket wasn't issued by a Fremont police officer. Apparently it was CHP. I can't come to the Fremont station. I have to either get it signed off in San Jose, which is where I live, or get it signed off by a CHP officer, which sucks because I either got to go back to San Jose or I got to go all the way to Hayward, which is Ripperino. Yeah, that's my struggle for the day. Now we're at the CHP offices, but this is the San Jose one. So let's go inside and hopefully they can help me here. If not, then might just give up for the day. All right, boys, we got the package secured. It's all signed off. Time to go back to pay our $25 court fee, I guess. So back to Fremont we go. Can't lie to you guys, I was a little bit scared because he came out and then my windows were down, so I was just like hoping he wouldn't be like, all right, roll up your windows, but he didn't, so we're good to go. I feel like I'm always in Fremont, but that's because I work there. But yeah, off to Fremont to just get the rest of this taken care of. Alrighty, we're finally done with that process. Time to go get me some lunch or something like that because that took a little bit. And what also is cool, we just got I believe it's an I-8 that just rolled up right next to us, right when we were about to pull out, which is pretty sweet. It's a little roadster one. It's pretty sick. Sick beans, you know what I mean? Sick beans. Had the top down, had the melanin glowing, whatever, you know how it goes. So now we out of here. I don't feel like staying in Fremont for too much longer because I'm here every single day. So I would rather go back to San Jose. And my mud flaps are scraping.